Ma'am,
Good morning, everyone. Yes, keep it aside with you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, keep it aside, Aradhya. Now, children, we are going to cover few topics today. One is calculating days. Ab calculating days means what? Suppose you are doing some activity and you have started on one day and completing after few days. So, अब किसी ने आपसे पूछा that how many days is that you have used to complete this activity. So, yes, Vihan, please keep it aside now. Don't play with these things. Please keep it aside, Dan Dalal. Dan Patel, sorry. So, if somebody asks you, for example, you got a project, okay, you got one project, you have started on 1st January. I am erasing this. You have started that project on 1st January and you have completed that on 2nd February. So can you tell me how many days have been passed to complete this project? कई बार होता है ना मम्मा का ऑफिस से काम लाते हैं पापा मम्मा and it there are some projects which take some time to complete. Yeah, for example, your homework also, and there is lot of homework is given to you, and you need some days to complete it. So now here is a project which you got to complete. आपको कोई project मिला है, but you have started on 1st January and you are going to complete it on 2nd February.
Ma'am, 32 days. 32.
How many days?
32 days. Ma'am. 32.
Children, here I am not here I am not telling you to count the between days. Between days, yesterday we have discussed, that is the another
Ma'am,
topic.
30 days. Ma'am,
1st
30
January से
30
आपने
days.
start किया. Can I explain? Mute yourself. First, let me explain and then I'll give you more questions related to it. Then you will give me. Viva is right. 1st January is having 31 days. So वो तो पूरे पूरे लग गए आपको 1st January से लेकर complete 31 days in the January month. Yes. Plus 2 days of February. कितने दिन लगे आपको प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करने में?
33.
Now you got now 33. Before earlier you were saying 32 days. And some were saying 31 days without understanding the concept. Now you understood, you will count this day also and this day ending day also. क्योंकि आपने स्टार्ट 1st को किया तो वो दिन भी तो आपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया होगा और जिस दिन एंड किया उस दिन भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया होगा. So to complete the project there are 31 days. 33 days, sorry. Got it, everyone? Now I'll give you one more example. For example, you got some assignment to complete and teacher told you that you are doing it on 1st April. 1st April, sorry, 21st, for example, it can be any date, but I'm giving it 21st March till the 1st April. How many days? 21st March भी count होगा, 1st April भी count होगा. March is having 31 days, remember it.
Ma'am, 12 days.
Let others also do. And can I tell you, instead of counting one day, March is having 31 days. And from 31 days, जो 21 days इससे पहले निकल चुके हैं, which is not is our work. So वो अगर हम subtract कर लें, so our days will come, that is 11 days.
11 days.
And 11 days of March plus 1 day of April makes the 12 days. Got it, Manya? Or if you can do it the another easy way, start counting from 21st March till the 31st March. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And 31. How many days? 11 days. And 1 day of the April month, which is total how many days now?
12 days.
12.
12 days. Now I tell you, suppose you got the vacations.
Excuse me, ma'am, your screen is a little bit blurred.
Students, please check, is my screen coming blurred?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is perfect.
Vacation start from 7th May to 15th June. How many days vacation you got? Count the number of days and tell me. 7th May till the 15th June. How many days vacation you got?
Ma'am, 23 or 32.
23 and
23 or 32.
Ma'am, what is 15th June now? Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is stuck. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
22 days.
22
22.
22
days.
from 7th May till the 15th June, only 22 days.
Ma'am, 23.
Start counting from May is having how many days in a month? January, February, March,
31.
April, May. 31. So from 7th May till the 31st May, how many days? 7th also will be counted. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 15 plus 10. 25 तो मई के ही days हो गए. And what about the June month? आप randomly total 25, 22, 23 days बोल रहे हैं.
30 days. 30
How
days.
30 days, Tej Kumar? 25 days are of the month of May and 15 days are of the month of June.
Ma'am, 40.
40 days. Don't say the answer randomly. Try to solve it. Got it now, Tej Kumar? From 7th May. From 7th May, if you count till the 31st May, there are 25 days. And what about the remaining 15 days of the month of June? Got it? And now, can you give me the example, Manya? Will you try any example? With the ending date and the starting date and the ending date?
Yes,
and we
ma'am.
will count the number of days in between? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me any story. कोई भी story form में बना दो. That your vacation start or your homework start or you're going for a trip. कुछ भी. Please prepare one story and tell me. Start preparing. I can give chance to anyone. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, I was going to Saputara at 1st April and I end at May 30.
How many days you went for the trip? April is having how many days? January, February, March. April is having 30 days. And this you told May, right?
Yes.
Yes, 60 days.
Ma'am,
Next.
I can tell you an example.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, my vacation starts at first 1st January and it's and had 15 January.
How many days?
Ma'am, 13.
13 days from 1st January to 15 January.
Ma'am,
In this, I'm not asking the between days. I'm asking the total number of days you got the holiday.
total number. Ma'am, 15.
15 days. Yes. Next child. Yes, Manya. Are you ready?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. My homework starts at 24th May
Hmm.
and ends at 15th June.
Okay.
So what is the days for homework?
How many days you took for the homework to complete? Yes.
Yes.
Count the
20.
number of days.
Ma'am, 23 days.
From 24th May, and May is the January, February, March, April. May is having 31 days.
31 days.
So when you count from 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 8 days of May and 15 of June. You told 23 days, correct?
Thank you, ma'am.
Aditya, can you make one story?
Ma'am, I'm making.
Yes. And then I will go to the next topic, which is timeline. I hope the calculating the days is clear to you, how to calculate the number of days. The ending day and starting day will also be counted. Clear in this? I'm not talking about the between days. When I talk about the between days, then we will not count the ending and starting days. But if we talk about कि आपने कितने दिनों में, how many days you completed the task, any task where it is, then you count the ending and the starting date also. Clear? Yes, Radhya, you make one example and then I move to the next topic, which is about the timeline. I think yesterday we have started the beginning of the timeline. कुछ short में किया था timeline का. Any brief description I gave you yesterday about the timeline? No?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Aradhya, I'll
Yes.
give you a chance at the last to give me the answer question. First, I'm going to start with the timeline. Children, timeline and the number line. What do you understand by the timeline and the number line? What is the difference and what is the similarity? Any one difference इसमें बताओ, एक similarity बताओ. Number line or timeline में.
Ma'am, difference in difference number line. In number line we will count number, and in time we will count time.
Very good. This is the difference. And what is the similarity between those?
I can say.
Yes,
Then
Vedant.
we count both. Ma'am.
Yes, Vedant.
Similarity between patterns.
Similarity between both are
Both are patterns. Both are lines. Same patterns, ma'am. Both are lines used for math.
yes, both are line patterns. Okay, good. So both are line patterns, but in timeline we discuss about the time, and in number line we discuss about the number. So right now this topic is related with timeline. For example, there are some activities given in your life also. For example, you wake up in the morning at 6:30. Then the another activity you write eating breakfast. Eating breakfast at 8. And then you writing taking bath
At 9.
at 7. No, I will tell you the difference why I am writing this ulta fulta. Right? Wake up at 6:30, eating breakfast at 7. 8 a.m., 7 a.m., and this is 6:30 a.m. And then going to school. No, coming back from school. At 12:30 p.m. Going to school at 8:30, 8 o'clock a.m., 8 a.m. Now, these are the activities which I have written here, but they are not arranged in a proper way. They are not arranged in a proper way because after waking up, it's written eating breakfast, which is at 8, and then taking bath, which is at 7. So, what do you think? Which activity should come after waking up?
Taking bath.
Taking bath.
And after taking bath, which activity should come?
Eating
Eating
breakfast.
breakfast.
And then after eating breakfast, which activity should come?
Going to school.
And after going to school, which activity should come?
Coming back.
Now, whatever the activities which are given here in the paragraph way, you arrange them in the line way. For example, make a line here like this and write them in the activity which come first in the ascending order. Ascending means the activity which is coming first, and slowly it will grow to the next one. So first in the timeline we write waking up. Then you write the time also. It's 6:30 a.m. and the next activity is taking bath should come.
Ma'am, your screen is little bit blur.
It's blur, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can show my timeline.
Wait a minute.
Yes,
Mute yourself. Okay. If my screen is coming blur, I will tell you verbally what I am trying to explain you. Mute your mics. First is waking up. You all understood how to arrange them in the line? Now
Yes,
I give you some more example and show you on the screen. They are the different timelines of the different activities, not with the same activity, but the basic concept of making the timeline is the same. Means उसको time के according next to next time पे जो आ रहा है उसको time के according arrange करना. And children, in between also I will ask few questions from you. You will have to give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, your screen is now was also blur.
My presentation is also not working today.
I think it is a network issue.
Ma'am, your presentation is a little bit stuck.
Yeah, it's
You can return. Ma'am,
now it's
it is
coming. Yes.
Ma'am, but it's stuck.
Yes, ma'am, we can see, ma'am, we can see. I have written this. I have written this.
I have shown you this timeline that day.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know now how to do that.
I think this also will not work today. Maybe some network problem is there.
Ma'am, I think you
This
leave
is-
and come back, I think.
Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming.
Okay. So this is the timeline. This is the timeline of a page number in your textbook. It is given. It's about the dog puppies timeline. 44 page number. So when you see here that after 2 weeks he opened his eyes. After 3 weeks he got the first tooth. After 4 weeks started walking. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please keep on responding me because maybe because of some network issue you will face difficulty. So please keep on responding me.
Ma'am, can I say something, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I think your network is a little bit slow. That's why your screen is also blurry and your presentation is also slow.
Now it is still not coming.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is coming.
ma'am, this page.
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am, it's
stopped.
coming.
It's a little bit slow, but ma'am, you have stopped. That's why they are saying.
Now
Ma'am, it is there.
it is. Wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Wait
it
a
is
minute.
there.
Wait a minute. Now please check. It is coming. Manya, it is coming. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
continue. Children, sometime it happens. Then after 7 months got a full set of teeth, and after 1 year became the grown-up dog and got its own puppies. Got it? This thing. This is the timeline of a puppy that, and you can see here the difference. Wait, I'll show you one more thing before this. Then you can better understand this.
Ma'am, it is timeline and number line also. That number one up.
No. Wait, I want to show you one more timeline before this timeline so you can understand. Can you see on the page number Munia's is given? Page number 43. Students, I am audible to you. I hope.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yeah. Do one thing. Open the page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
in your textbook. Open page number 43. In page number 43, it's given the Munia. Munia is a girl, small baby. Rani diary. Come, let's go to see my new babysitter. She's telling her friends, come, let's go. We will see to the new babysitter. And then she's saying, Ma, I have bought sweets for Munia, sorry. Mania is coming. So it's Munia, but she cannot eat. She is too small. Mama is saying she's too small. Munia is too small. She cannot eat. And she does not even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. Mama is explaining her everything that when she grow up, she will start eating sweets. Then Mania thought that she needs to make a diary that when she grows, when she born, when she started eating, when she will got the first tooth. When you see on the page number 43, everything is given. So one thing I want to bring in your notice, the 5th September 2006. Please write 2005. It by mistaken written because first she will eat the banana and then she will get the tooth. This cannot be so late that 5th September 2006 she will get eat the banana. The child will started eating banana after 5-6 months, and then the tooth will come little later, maybe on the after 6-7 months. So this is the, when these activities are given, she needs to arrange them in the timeline. So first is already done for you, which is in the on the textbook page number 43. She born on 5th March. Can you tell me which will be the second activity which she will arrange in the timeline?
Ma'am, 5th September 2005, Munia ate a banana.
Very good. And which will be the, start making the timeline in the textbook only, students? Which will be the next activity?
Next activity will be
See the date, see the year also. According to date and according to year, which will be the next? Jigar Singh, which will be the next?
yes, ma'am.
Munia born on 5th March. Then on 5th September 2005, she ate the banana.
Yes.
Tej Kumar, you wait for your turn. Yes, Jigar Singh. Which will be the next activity?
She first stand.
Stand कैसे? Date देखो ना, September पहले है कि November पहले है? Which month is first?
September, sorry.
Which September? 15th September now will come now. Because 5th September I told you to do the correction. I don't know you children are sleeping in my class or what.
Yes.
So tell me what will be the next now.
Ma'am, it will be grow on her teeth.
First tooth on 15th September. Tej Kumar, which will be the next now?
Yes. Munia started crawling.
And then where is the 10th November date का जो activity है वो कहाँ चली जाएगी अगर वो crawling पहले start कर देगी तो?
Munia set up.
Set up means started sitting. पहले बेबी पहले बैठना शुरू करता है, फिर क्रॉल करता है. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट द बेबी स्टार्टेड सिटिंग एंड देन स्टार्टेड क्रॉलिंग, एंड देन वो थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टूड होके पकड़ पकड़ के चलना सीखता है. एंड देन 20 नवंबर के बाद लास्ट एक्टिविटी विच इज नॉट द लास्ट, सेकेंड लास्ट, 5th January which is Munia stood up. And which will be the last, Dania? Which will be the last activity?
Ma'am, the last activity will be she got her first tooth.
This will be the last activity.
Ma'am, I can say.
What did she do first?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes.
Ma'am, Munia started walking.
Yes.
2nd February 2006.
Yes. You have to arrange them in the timeline. I'm trying to show you here also. See, this is Munia's timeline. Got it, everyone? This way you need to make the timeline. It's visible to you all? My dear students, please answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when I present the screen, I'll not able to see you. So please give me answer. This is the timeline of Munia. Now, I want to bring in your notice that when you see this timeline and when you see puppy's timeline, this is the human being's timeline. ये एक इंसान है, उसकी timeline है. और उसमें when you notice कि हर activity कुछ कुछ months के बाद होती है. And when you see puppy's timeline, ये वाली जो आपने timeline देखी puppy की, you will notice that इसमें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी activities हो रही हैं. Why? Because the animals grow very fast compared to the human beings. Got it? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि वो 1 year में तो बहुत बड़े हो जाते हैं, चलने फिरने सब कुछ हो जाते हैं 1 year में तो. And the babies are too small 1 year में, वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं. Why? Because the life of human beings is more compared to the life of animals. Animals की life जो होती है वो कम होती है. 10 to 12 years जो dog है, कैट है, इनकी लाइफ बहुत कम होती है, 10 to 12 years होती है. इसीलिए इनको जल्दी जल्दी ग्रो होना पड़ता है. राइट? एंड आवर लाइफ, ह्यूमन बींग्स की लाइफ 100 years तक जाती है मैक्सिमम. So that is why the procedure which we grow, that is little slower compared to the animals. But there are some animals जो 100 years तक जिंदा रहते हैं. For example, can you give me one turtle? Yes, 500 years,
Dinosaur.
400 years.
Yes.
Dinosaur
Yes,
now
I
this
see.
are not here in the audience. Know that there are elephant की भी life अच्छी होती है, but there are some animals, for example, dog, puppy, इनकी life जो है वो कम होती है. Cat की. Got it? And that is why you can see the difference of their activities, कि उनकी activities कितनी fast होती है. Yes, and your activity, the human beings activities, are little slower compared to that. Now you can fill these page number 43. I will discuss the answer tomorrow. Page number 43, 44. Fill this 43 and 44. We will discuss tomorrow. Now I am going to explain you about the after timeline. I have written manufacturing and the expiry date. Now, children, when you go to the market, you buy some products. I will show you some products. I will explain. Then I will tell you also to give me the demo on this. What do you mean by the manufacturing date and the expiry date?
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am,
Yes,
expiry date means.
Tejas Kumar has not learned the discipline of the class till now. And one day he will not notice, and I will remove him from my class because of not paying attention and not following the discipline rules. We have virtual hand to raise. You raise your virtual hand, Tej Kumar. Yes, please, Moksh, start.
Ma'am, manufacturing date means when it was manufactured.
Manufacture means the product was made. कब
Yes.
बना है ना? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एवरी प्रोडक्ट्स पे जो ईटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन यू गो टू बाय इवन ईटेबल्स, ऑन ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स देयर इज द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड द एक्सपायरी डेट्स, कि आप इस टाइम लिमिट के अंदर इसको यूज कर लो, वरना इसकी जो कैपेसिटी वो खराब है, खत्म हो जाएगी, उसके बाद उसको यूज करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर भी जो कुछ चीजें डलती हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल मेडिसिन है, मेडिसिन में भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड एक्सपायरी डेट होती है, अगर उसके बाद आप उसको यूज करते हो, इट इज ऑफ नो यूज। And why are we learning about these in this topic in this chapter? Because we are again connecting it with the dates, और dates इस पे होती है। Manufacturing is the manufacture date means the product has been made on that day, and expiry date is that day, product will die on this day, after that you will not able to use it because it is of no use now. For example, I have what I have in my hand,
Amul
butter. Amul butter.
Amul butter. It is visible to you all clearly? Yes. When I go to market, I always have a habit of checking the expiry and manufacturing date. Why? Because after expiry date, I'll not able to use that product. So where you will see, Jigar Singh, mute your mic.
Oh, sorry.
Where you will see these dates. These dates are either written on the back of the product or at the down of the product, or sometime if you have these kind of bottles, then on the tip of the यहाँ पर होता है, right? So this you need to search कहाँ लिखा हुआ है. Always there is no fixed place कहाँ होगा. जैसे for example, I have this tube. Here the date is written here. Wait, the date, manufacturing and the expiry date is written here, not at the back. So it depend on the product to product, पर लिखी हुई जरूर होगी. Yes, wait, I will tell you, Jigar Singh. लिखी हुई जरूर होगी manufacturing and expiry date. So please always remember, don't buy the things without manufacturing and the expiry date. Okay. Now, for example, on this product, on butter product, it's written that manufacturing date is 1st May 2021, means it is of May month manufacturing, and how many days you can use it. Sometime it's written, the date also written there. For example, it's written 1st May 2021, and the expiry date is written 2nd June 2021, means you can use it till to 2nd June. After that you will not able to use this. This is the manufacturing date. Sometime is MFD, like this also, it's short form they write, and the expiry date they write short form EXP also. Okay, and sometimes they don't give the date, they give only the month also, that this is the 5th month and the 6th month it will expire. And sometimes they give that best before word also. Sometimes they give this word also, best before 12 months, best before 9 months. So you need to calculate the 9 months from the date of manufacturing. May months में manufacturing हुआ है, उसके बाद 9 months कब complete हो रहे हैं, आपको वहां तक ही यूज करना है, उसके बाद नहीं. Got it? Yes.
It is written BAG0071 8307 January 2021.
This is the code number. This is not the date. Date will be in the date term में ही होगी. 0063. It's a code number of the product.
Ma'am,
Yes,
MFG and then supplementary and then EX.
2021.
Will you please listen me for 1 minute? I want to explain you, which is very, very important. Look here. Suppose I bought this Amul butter and the manufacturing date is 5th month. Date is not given. Month is given, and it is expiring in the June. Not in the June also. Suppose it's giving best before 2 months. Will I able to use this product in the month of August?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
And because it is written best before 2 months.
And when the
it is
2
like-
months completing?
After May, June. So in July only it will expiry date. Its expiry date is July.
Yes. So July, its expiry date is July, so I will not able to use it in the month of August. This way you can find the expiry date and the manufacturing date, and you will find when you will able to use it and when you not able to use it. Now, one child can explain me today, another other students will get the time in the next class. Yes.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, please. Manya will explain me today. Jiga Singh, bring it tomorrow in the next class.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I cannot see the
Date written there. You can see the blue part is there.
Yes.
This is
That is the date. Okay, bye, ma'am.
no wait, Vedant. Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, I checked
Bye, ma'am.
this box, but I
No
can't
one
see
will say bye. Please stay in the class. And Aradhya, wait. Manya, yes, please explain.
Yes, ma'am. I have a Oreo packet. It is written that best before. It is manufactured. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Rajvi Nikhil left saying that.
I will. Yes, Manya.
The manufacturing date is 29/4/21,
Hmm.
and it is best before 28/1/22. So it means that the manufacturing date is 29 fourth month, and in year 21 it is manufactured,
Hmm.
and it is best
Okay.
before 28 the first month, and year is 22.
Okay. Thank you. I will more detail ask in the next class. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
So bring some products
Bye,
and you
ma'am.
can explain me in the next class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you, ma'am.